Hi everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching another one of my grocery shopping haul videos. Okay, Spirit Boosters, I'm doing an update of me making a little progress on the coffee bar. I don't know if you guys can tell from the last, well look, this is what it looked like before. Okay, now this is what I have so far taken off the coffee bar to even get started with what's going on up here. So I'll show you the items over there in the kitchen, what I have removed off of the coffee bar. But so far, at least I have started removing something. But let me show you guys something else. Hey Spirit Boosters, it is Janita back again with another video. And what am I doing today? I am doing a follow-up on the cleanup of my coffee bar in the pantry area. What I showed you, well, I'm going to show you a little progress I made on the coffee bar, removing stuff that I have to put somewhere else and get it off of here anyway. But yeah, I'm going to share with you. Here are some of the items that came off of that coffee bar. Stuff that I have been looking for. Yeah, it was all covered up. Like, I don't know if you guys remember a few videos back when I was cleaning an area to make it be a part of the pantry. I discovered a whole Instapot back there that was hiding behind a bunch of stuff. Yep, that was pretty funny, hysterical. And today, look, I found my cheesecloth and cooking twine. I need that for my chickens and stuff and whatever I'm gonna tie up, whatever. And I got that up here to show you guys. And especially my smoked paprika. I've been looking for that forever. I like to put that in my chili and whatever else, and you know, for barbecue and all kind of stuff. Smoked paprika is a delicious spice. And I got some wax paper sandwich bags that came off of there. And this product right here, this McCormick Italian, wait, let me turn it around, hold up. McCormick Italian, look, that freaking gnat, gonna be all starring in my video. But anyway, a jar of this McCormick Italian flavor cubes, that is delicious. Those things are delicious. Very expensive, but delicious product. And that's an empty container, by the way. And also, it was some slow cooker, a box of slow cooker, my basil leaves, my pasta herbs, my oregano leaves. Man, I was just had this stuff all over the place. Couldn't even find my Jupiter berries and that Old Bay that I really can't seem to get used to the flavor. I just can't see it. I don't know. I haven't tried it on fish yet. I don't know about Old Bay. One day I'll see, because it just don't taste like nothing to me. I don't know why. And then I found my carne asada seasoning, some black pepper, and this sweet Baby Ray's sweet golden mustard barbecue sauce. This is just a few of the things, and that's that vitamin C emergency box over there. But anyway, there's just some of the stuff that was hiding and tossed on that dang coffee bar. Oh, and then I'm sharing with you guys a small grocery haul. My husband, he found some chicken wings in the store. They're Sanders. He got a pack. I don't know if y'all can see it. Let's check the date. Oh, okay, it's a good date. They are $2.99 a pound. This pack is $10.73. Freshness date October 3rd, 21. And he has another pack, $12.38. $12.38. So you have 2 packs of chicken wings and also another 5 pounds on sale at Food for Less Kroger slash Kroger. The ground beef is on sale at $1.99 a pound. So these was I think it's $9.95 or something. So we got another thing of ground beef, so that's 3 of them. So that's like what, 15 pounds of ground beef so far. But yeah, so this is what's happening. A follow up on my prepping pantry chores or pantry prepping chores. Like I need to rotate my canned goods. I need to do inventory. Like I say, I'm finding stuff on the coffee bar I don't need to be rebuying because I already have it. So it's good to do an inventory of your pantry, folks, so that you don't have to keep buying stuff that you already possess. And also, I need to have my pantry organized where foods that are cooked together can be in close proximity, so I don't have to be searching all over for stuff. So that's great for some of y'all who don't know if you want to, do that. That's a great idea to keep stuff that you want to cook with something close together when you put the pantry to organize your pantry, stuff like that. So yeah, and also, like I had shared in a previous video, I'm going to say this and then I'm going to get out of here, Spirit Boosters. I heard again on the news, well, the local news in my area is saying the ports are just, what is it? They just are just congested with ships full of cargo, with products and stuff like that that can't be delivered. And also, the reason why I'm bringing that up, because on the local news last night I heard they were saying the big box stores are not limiting the toilet paper and water and other products because of the CV. They're doing it because of the unavailability of the cargo, the merchandise being delivered. So it is a strict limit on toilet paper. You only get one, water and some other products, because they might not be able to get their merchandise delivered in a timely manner. That's why they say you need to shop early for Christmas, because a lot of that stuff won't be there because they can't get it out of the docks. Ships, cargo just congesting all the ports. It's just crazy out there. But anyway, that's what's going on in my area, my goings ons, my what's happenings in my area. You want to share what's happening in your area? We Spirit Boosters appreciate it all. Just put it in the comments. Let us know what's going on in your area, your territory. What madness is happening? Have I had any crazy deliveries? Oh no, my good delivery person is right on time, and he's gonna get a great gift on at the end of the year for being so great at doing his job. Unlike the rogue ones, no, they're not getting anything. And I guess that's about it. I'm gonna cut this video off right now. I just wanted to let you guys know what was going on, and that's about it. Stay safe, stay well. Till the next time, talk to y'all later. Bye, Spirit Boosters. I hope this grocery haul was a pleasure to watch, and I hope it helped you guys remember something that you might have forgot to get from the store. Once again, thanks for watching.